Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to migrate emails to a new Gmail account step by step. Whether you're switching accounts for work, security, or personal reasons, this guide will help you transfer all your emails safely. This full guide for 2026 ensures a smooth migration without losing important messages. First, make sure your old Gmail account is ready. Check that all important emails are labeled, archived, and organized. Next, enable POP access in your old Gmail under Settings, Forwarding, and POP/IMAP. Enable POP for all emails. Open your new Gmail account and go to Settings, Accounts and Import, Import Mail and Contacts. Enter your old Gmail email and follow the steps. Gmail will start importing emails automatically. Monitor the import progress. Depending on the number of emails, it may take several hours or even a day. Once imported, organize emails with labels, folders, or archives in your new Gmail account. Set up forwarding in your old Gmail to your new account so you don't miss any new emails. Verify that all important emails have been migrated and test sending to receiving emails. Optionally, create a backup of your old Gmail using Google Takeout before closing it. Even if you migrate successfully, keeping a backup adds extra security. And that's how to migrate emails to a new Gmail account step by step in 2026. If this helped you move your emails safely, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.